I got a really stupid idea for how to address this paint chipping. That actually turned out way better than I thought it was going to. This car had a black bra on it, one of those like 1990s versions, and I drove it to Arizona from Colorado, and the bra got destroyed, and it really messed up the paint, and I ripped it off, and I saw all these little pits underneath, and well, basically, this thing looks like it got on the wrong end of a gravel truck down I-90, but we're gonna do the right thing and just make a Plasti Dip bra for it. That's a bad idea. Yeah. Good enough, you know. That's good enough. I'll buff it out. Again, we're just going for hoopty status on this. Nothing crazy. This isn't your mom's Lexus, you know. It's more like your kid's Toyota. So, finish this up. Yeah, perfect. So good. I want to go, I think, like from the corner edge of the hood there. Okay. Good. And here we go. Plasti Dip. The white kind. Oh, you know what? Oh, yeah. I like these little spray things. I learned about them recently. They just make life way easier when you're using the spray paint or the Plasti Dip. Okie doke, I'm not even going to wait for it to dry. I'm just going to peel the tape now. See how this looks. We're going for craptastic, you know. Hoopty special. Want it to look good from across the parking lot. That's it. Get too close so you can just taste how bad it is. Perfect. Boom. I'm going to see if I can touch this spot up real quick. Boom. Pull it out into the sun and wow. That actually turned out way better than I thought it was going to. Huh. Okay, there you go. Plasti Dip Clear Bra. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.